It just gets worse. I mean, what'd you do? What'd you do? When you spent 7 months of your life getting close to him, and then you want a bit of peace, just what'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? You say, kiss a kiss. Don't you? You say, kiss a kiss. Cheeky little boy. Bye-bye.